Hey there, folks. A little quick tip here for you. Now I wonder why I got gray hairs. I'm filling this, trying to fill this compressor up in the air conditioning system in this car, and I could not figure out why it was not holding the air or holding the vacuum until I had a epiphany of a brainstorm. I looked at this, the low pressure side, then I looked at the high pressure side. Then I looked inside here. I don't know if anybody can see it, but right inside there, there's an O-ring, a rubber O-ring. Now this is the high compression side. On the low compression side, I already took it apart, by the way, before I decided I had another epiphany to make a video of this. And if you look inside, no O-ring. So, if anybody ever runs into this problem, check to see if you got your O-rings. Otherwise, you'll be leaking air through the valve. Unbelievable, isn't it, folks? Oh well. Live and learn. Oh well. Now I gotta find myself an O-ring for that. Okay. Hope you have luck with it. Hope this helped you. Later.